Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to make chocolate croissant. For that you need puff pastry sheets. I have used the Pepperidge Farm brand and I have kept it for thawing almost 40 minutes. You can use any brand of puff pastry sheets and as per the instructions keep it for thawing. And I have used Hershey's Special Dark mild sweet chocolate, and trust me, if you're gonna use this brand of chocolate, it's gonna taste exactly like how Starbucks chocolate croissant tastes. Otherwise you can use any brand like Amul, Dairy Milk, Lindt, anything is fine. And you need an egg. So after 40 minutes I'm going to roll this and cut it into 6 equal halves. So after thawing, my puff pastry sheet is ready to roll out. So how I like to do is that I cut it into first 3 equal halves and then cut it further into 2 halves and then roll it out. So this is how you're gonna roll it out, depending upon how thick you like, how long you like it. So I'm going to just roll it out like this. Similarly, I'm going to do with the other 5 halves as well. So here I have one square of the sheet. I'm going to place the chocolate at the edge and start rolling it out and pinch it at the sides. Roll it further, keep pressing it on the sides, and this last one I'm going to rub it with the water and seal it. So I'm going to rub it with the water and seal it nicely and press down. And this side will go like this on the parchment paper. This side will go down. So this is the other method of making the chocolate croissant. In this I'm going to lie the chocolate in the middle of the sheet and just take one side of the sheet and press it down on the sides, and then this one I will seal it with a little water. Rub this sheet with a little water. Make sure that you do not use too much of chocolate, and this sealed side will go like this. As I said earlier also, this is the sealed side that will go downside on the parchment paper, and with the fork I'm going to press it like this. And I'm going to put this like this on the parchment paper. So these are the 2 types of chocolate croissant that I have made. So total 6 I have made. Now I'm going to brush them with the egg. I have also added some few drops of water in this egg, and I'm going to brush it, the top with it. Remember, the sealed side is down on the parchment paper. You can use slip mat or parchment paper on the tray, whatever you're comfortable with. So just brush it on the top. As I have completely brushed the chocolate croissant with egg wash, now I'm going to set the oven to 400 degree Fahrenheit, and then I'll place the baking tray in the oven. I'm sorry, 400 degree Fahrenheit, and it will take minimum 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll show you how it looks. As the oven is set, now I'm going to place it in the oven. So yeah. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to take the chocolate croissants out and see, this has come out so beautifully. Similarly, I'm going to take the other tray also out and show it later. So this is the other batch which I showed you, other 3. So they have also come out very nice. So you can see this is the one pattern and this is the other pattern.